Welcome to your Gaggenau Vario cooktops, part of an intuitive cooking system developed in the 1970s in partnership with professional chefs. It's a masterpiece of design which allows you to customize your cooking space while reducing the need for extra cookware. The front-mounted control knobs allow you to adjust the cooking zone and heat level. Push and turn to activate. The illuminated ring will flash during preheat, stay solid when the cooktop panel is on, and flash to indicate residual heat. This is the Induction Block, the only induction surface that supports a round bottom wok and still lets you use your flat-bottomed cookware. Use the bottom ring to support a round bottom wok or cook on its surface with a large induction-compatible pot. This is the electric grill. It has 2 independently adjustable grilling zones. It provides all the benefits of an outdoor grill indoors. Lava stones ensure consistently intense heat for perfectly grilled food. You can choose to cook either with a cast iron grill or with a griddle accessory. Set the desired grill setting. Preheating is complete once the control knobs are no longer flashing. This is the Teppanyaki. It's a traditional Japanese cooktop with controlled temperatures from 240 to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. The smooth metal surface provides greater accuracy for gentle low-fat cooking and even searing of vegetables, meat and fish. With 2 heating zones, food can be cooked on the top half, bottom half or its entire surface. Cleaning is easy. The induction cooktop can be cleaned with hot soapy water and a microfiber cloth. Coarse residue on the grill can be removed with a cleaning brush and then soaked in warm water. Lava stones are easily replaced when necessary. The teppanyaki can be cleaned by turning the temperature control knob to the cleaning level position and laying a wet 100% cotton towel on the surface. Use the included spatulas on top of the towel to remove any remaining residue. The Gaggenau 400 series Vario cooktops. The difference is Gaggenau.